In front of me is SONY Xperia XA2, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. You need to begin by holding your device's screen and tapping on themes next to wallpapers. Following that, click on Get More Themes and install the best one for you. I will go with this green one. When your theme is ready, tap on Open. Then select Apply Theme over here, hit on OK in the pop-up and wait. So when I go back, as you can see, theme of my device has changed. If you wish to go back to your default theme, you can always do that by holding your screen again, clicking on Themes, and choosing the default one by tapping on it. Lastly, tap on Apply Theme, confirm your choice in the pop-up and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!